Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. What do we have here? Gotta get everything situated. This is 5 minute, and then that should be the 1 minute down there. Oh snap! Hold on, I forgot my other phone. You held me down when I got up. Good morning, Instagram. I don't even know why I do that. It's not like this is recorded. I do that for the YouTube because you may just be watching this after the fact, but that's not an option. I don't save my live streams on my Instagram. Either way it goes, what am I seeing? Downtrend action. We did clear a gap, made a significant push down, breaking structure on the 5 minute. Got some gaps to the downside. Still under the 200 EMA on both 1 minute and the 5 minute. Excuse me. But does look a little bullish, right? Does look a little bullish. Do we got gaps down low? We got some gaps down low that we could go to fill to. Even if you look just looking at the 5 minute, we see that gap over there. And so I would be weary to just take in buys. Because we do got this liquidity grab pretty much going on here. Looking at the 1 minute, continue to make bullish structure. We might be in a sell here early in the live. Early in the live. There you go, cap. But we'll see. We are definitely gonna see. Might be a good sell opportunity. We just gotta wait and see. I want to see structure break on the 1 minute. And I want to see some type of retest, and then yeah, we can enter. Yeah, I am tired. Tell her early. I didn't even let Instagram know I'm going live. Can I send it out after the fact? Add a moderator, turn off requests, copy link, share. Yeah, no, nothing really I could do about that. At the 5 minute, we just cleared another gap. 5 minute just cleared another gap. Not seeing any news come through. Looking like a potential sell opportunity. We do have a gap right here, but I would just want to be careful. We still haven't had that break of structure on the 1 minute. Good sell right here. I mean, if you want, it's a cheap trade at these highs. Stop loss right above this. TP right here. You wouldn't want to go too further than that because it's counter trend. And as always, you just want to be careful in some counter trend situations. And even if price does turn around and flip, it just depends on how long it takes too, because the market's about to open. It's 25 minutes before the open. Let's mark this up. So this is what it's looking like. This is so small. I mean, we're looking at a 6-point stop loss. TP1 at 6. I can see this hitting a 1 to 2 though. Just because we do have this gap, like I said. We can get a break of the highs here, then this will have to come up. Yep. Well, you would have got your 1 to 1. That's for sure. Hey. Let me get a 1-to-1 here. A break of this candle low would be like a sell, but we gonna see, because that's the new structure, and we get the break of the candle. Yeah, that would be a sell. We got gaps down here. Now, if we break the candle low, it's not a sale. So at this point, we're waiting for the break of structure again. Morning. Gotta be on YouTube to see the charts. Yeah, I wouldn't trust this. This could be a fake out. Just want to wait for that break of structure. If we even get it. Right now, we could be taking buys. So we just got to break the candle. But again, we don't have a break of this structure here, so I definitely wouldn't hold this too long. If me personally, I wouldn't even take it, but maybe some days we'll be looking at eight ticks. That'll give us like what? Equal low. That's crazy. So yeah, it could hit TP and not break structure, still be bullish. Just gotta break the candle to the upside. See if we can get some wick on that. Hmm. Cheap selling opportunity. You literally have like a 2-tick stop loss. $8.11. It doesn't break this. We also have a 5-minute sell. Little, oh shit. There we go. Oh well, there goes that. There goes that idea. I'm dead. The lows are still the same, by the way, guys. We never So like we made this high, boom, press down, made this low, then made this high. Well, I guess you could say here we made these lows and then made this high, so I'm lying. Don't listen to me. I know that's contrary to say, considering the circumstances, but you know what I mean. I wonder if we'll tap in. We already started doing it, so I wonder if we'll hit this supply and react off of it, or we could push through it. We'll just have to see. Got the structure. Just waiting. This is our low. This is a bird. I thought I was getting ran up on. I looked at him, he started walking the other way. Racist ass bird. I'm just joking. I don't know that bird personally. He probably has other bird colored friends. He probably got cardinal and robin friends. And he hang out with blue jays. It's a crow, so I mean. But I mean, still, why wouldn't he hang out with other type of birds? Why wouldn't he? Those birds are no different from him. I just think we all should judge birds by the content of their character and not the color of their feathers. I'm sorry, I just gotta stay entertained. I don't know why I didn't play music. It's too late now. I'm here. I don't feel like getting up. So let's see, we got a little gap fill here. Boom. Break of the candle. 1 minute position looking like I'll just be marking up stuff that meets my rules technically. Like it's above the 200 EMA. We filled the gap. We got the supply and demand tap. So, you know, you can take this 12-point move. It's high. Definitely high. That's the thing. So I'm like trying to think, do I want to just wait for things to start correcting, or do I want to try and get in on this momentum? And like, there's been plenty of opportunity. I don't know. It's just close to that open, you know. Gun to my head, I would take the buy. But there's no guns here, so we'll just be patient. We'll wait. don't know what time China. There was some news that came out about the treasury bond holdings of China and stuff like that. Or somebody US that they held and they let it go. Here, go, here, see that. I think you can I'm gonna go ahead and put that just because we are targeting this demand, then when I go up there, level in that let's say with positioning of 30% to only did come on, see, be open price. It's not way there. I need that B and build with gonna be the like gap or just this floor right here. You probably close it and it would be that get extra demand and start to run this high when you really selling once price goes below what's like the 30 level. Okay, 39. Yeah, cover got structure coming into the open. I don't know. What time is 8:30 right here? That is, I guess that looks healthy, huh? Market opens in 7 minutes. Six and a half. I'm gonna set my phone down. This is honestly, I don't feel like I need to hold it this entire time. Oh shit. As always, if you guys have any question, leave them in the comment. If you want me to do a video over something or a concept or a part of the strategy or like the strategy video that I got isn't, I could do it again. And I think if anything, I've been low-key improving, so I wouldn't mind doing that if that's something y'all want to see. Yeah, this looks like some divergence. Does look like some divergence. We getting that wick exhaustion right there with that demand level. So yeah, like I said, this one is high. This one is already high. Let's see what it's going to be. Oof, damn. Alright, we sweat that liquidity. I'm still gonna take the buy if we get another break. If we get another break. Or if we get that break of the structure now, that's a different conversation. That's a different conversation. Looks like we're gonna try this again. Put another 3 on it. I would just do 1. Oh, wait, we didn't even get the break of the candle. Oh, we ain't aggressive then. We are inaggressive. There we go. There go that break. We can get another entry. We will. Let me pick up my phone. This never works when I'm holding it like this. I need to map out this trade first. Let's just put the rest of the trade on there. Ain't gonna lie. Damn, there goes the dip. I just didn't want price taking off without me Okay. It's going to take DP. There we go. There we go. That puts us up 25 for the day before the market even opens. The market ain't even open. I really don't want to take too many trades. I really just want one good one. So I'll probably sit the market out for now. Its volatility is soon to increase, and we need to just see how that's going to be for a bit. How I know that was the one though, I was like, market just love to take liquidity and then play out. But it's alright. It's alright. You really can't be afraid to like trust your process, you know, like I've been marked this entire stream so far, I've been marking up setups. Some have played out, some have not. I've been, you know, but I've been getting the feel for what's going on. So at a certain point, you got to start taking your setup. You got to take something. And I thought price might want to touch into the zone. If not just completely break through the zone. I mean, that overnight liquidity, that overnight inventory could really just act like liquidity. Not to mention the 5-minute done broke structure. Pushing up, making new structure. Really, the lows were right there in that little blue zone I drew up, lined up with the 200 EMA. Now what we got here though? Now at least we have more like, yeah, kind of consistent structure, or easier to see structure. Oh yeah, that's the open right there, huh? It's a big old gap in the market. You can get a break of these lows though. But I don't know, I would want to be careful. I would really want to be careful. It's just like we're above the 200 now on both time frames. We might just want to say forget themselves. We got liquidity to target. Boom, look, took one. Took out them right there. And I mean, we technically, I think, have another one up here that hasn't really been tapped into. So these are like low-key gaps in the market. We can get rid of that. I can see market selling off and to fill this gap, but it would just, look, we already closed the gap. Probably be smarter to take the buys. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it some time. Patience pays. You see what happened when I hopped in early. But at the same time, it was a valid setup. Like, it could have very well still played out right when I had took the position when we got the first confirmations. Oh shit. At least that's how I look at it. We just took liquidity. We got a gap on the 5-minute. Yo, yo. What they do? Gang. See, now we tapping into that other one. We might even break it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna chill for a bit. I might not even take no more trades today just cause I gotta work at 10. But Should go let my mom know. Yeah, but we live on the YouTube too. So, tap in over there. You can see the chart. Shit, I don't work with you today. I'm gonna go put that sandwich making hat on. I gotta make more than $25 on these charts, otherwise I'm gonna be still working there. We got the gaps being filled now. Looks like on the 1 minute, maybe. We're creating a lot of gaps on the 5 minute. Yeah. Yeah, see, it might have been worth taking sales up there. Ooh, wee. Oh well. Hold up though. The 1 minute just gotta break a structure. Right here. That could be used to target them 5 minute lows. We'll see what's up. We'll see what's up here. It's counter trend, but price is just now, if anything, shifting kind of momentum, so it could be time for correction. And I mean, we took out overnight liquidity. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna also go ahead and lower my risk because it's market open, past market open. These setups are big. You know what I mean? These setups are way bigger. We're gonna see, like, for example, like you're in this one, right? That's a 47-point move. We were trading 12-point move, so yeah. Price is moving 5 times what it was, so we gonna keep our risk small. That's what I'm seeing right now. Oh, I'm lying. Come on. Why that magnet not working? Like, it's steady going like a tick or two below. What's up with that? Okay, thank you. Now we got 36 tick. That's not bad. We're gonna take it. Yeah, that's okay. I still don't hate the setup. Hey man, I see you, bro. Hold up, that could be the setup. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one right there, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. I don't even want to set my position because I already feel like the moment I look away, this hoe gonna start trying to push down. It might not though. It's just a 41-point move though. Not 141, just a 41-point move. I don't want to take this sell from these highs though. We've rejected the first time. Can we do it again? I mean, what do y'all think? We just broke lows though, so these highs will be tested, like you're saying. Yeah, exactly, like that. I don't know about these sales, guys. We might need to just give it up, start taking buys. Go back up. Price still looks high, like we're just sideways moving. And right where I've drawn this blue zone, these lines where I keep marking these up, this is all around the range, like the middle of the range. And here we have the lows. You can see once we broke into this range, boom, came to these highs, which are just across the board. So I can see price coming up around here. If we break to the downside, I wouldn't target too low though. It's all counter trend. I should just probably look for buy opportunities. And we have a nice gap and some demand right here. This is would be a cool little sell right here. God damn.
Now we down 51 on the day. It's got to come. I mean, it doesn't have to, but at some point these gaps is going to come fill. Like I said, we still got these highs to really go, and we're pretty much at pretty much I heard shuffling. What time is it? 8:44. Oh, look at that beautiful setup that I just missed. Because something was shuffling. I was scared. Okay, I didn't miss it. So I'm gonna just do one. It's like the same size trade. If I could set a TP. There we go. And so we're down 26 for the day. Oh shit. That was a little early. That was definitely early. Definitely in this one early. Also, I hit sell. I meant to press buy. Okay. That's probably early still. Can I? This right? Okay. I'm gonna be done with this trade. Just gotta wait to see how this goes. Oh, forget that. I would love that TP hit, but we are one tick away, bro. Go get that tick, bro. Go get that tick. Thank you. Alright, I'm done. It's a break-even day. We ain't do nothing. Yeah, when I came to the charts were just a shy bearish, and then, yeah, I don't know. America don't care about them treasury bonds. China, I can't speak for all of America actually, but apparently the S&P 500s don't. at least today. I'm done. That's all I got for you guys, YouTube. Hopefully this was valuable to you. If so, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to see when I'm going live more and when I post like just other content or just videos and stuff like that. So yeah, tap in. I'm out.